So finally, Bebang Halo-Halo is now in BF Homes Parañaque. At ayan nga, may pa-band sila for their opening. Yes! May pa-opening ceremony din. At syempre, may free halo-halo. May pa-games din sila with prizes. At ayan na nga, ngiting tagumpay nung na-receive na ang mga free halo-halo. Oo, 'di ba? Finally, very refreshing, tamang-tama sa mainit na panahon. Finally, andito na yung Bebangs. Ang lapit na, pwede mo nang lakarin. At pwede ka na rin magpa-grab. And finally, it's my turn. So, ibigay na natin yung stub natin. At ayan na nga, i-avail natin. Hindi pa natin napasok yung store. Moving forward na since freebies pa lang yung meron. Ayan, later ata this afternoon, open na sila for selling. So, yun. So happy. Yun lang, ngiting tagumpay.